Hello everyone, my name is Makinde Michael. You're welcome to Business Expert Academy. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to create a personal YouTube channel on Android. It's going to be an easy step-by-step guide for you to follow in 2022. So by following the simple guide I'll be highlighting below, you'll be able to create a personal YouTube channel for yourself. I know you must have been looking for a way to create a YouTube channel for yourself all this while, like a personal YouTube channel where you can upload your videos on YouTube, but you are finding it difficult to do, maybe due to the false informations you're receiving. But I'm assuring you something that by the time you follow this video from beginning to the end, you'll be able to create a channel, a personal YouTube channel for yourself. So the first thing that you need to do is you will need a Google mail account, that is a Gmail account. If you watch our previous video, you will see how to create a Gmail account for yourself. If you've watched that video, or if you have a Gmail account already, you can just proceed to the step 2. So the step 2 is you need a good web browser that will make your work easier. Yes, we have different browser on Play Store. We have the Opera Mini, we have the Chrome browser, we have the Firefox. But for the sake of this tutorial, I will recommend Firefox browser. One thing I want you to note is this: you can't create a YouTube channel using the YouTube mobile application. Yeah, if you are trying to create a YouTube channel for yourself and you are using the mobile application, you might be finding it difficult to do. So the best bet is for you to make use of your phone browser. And like I said here on, I said I'll be recommending Firefox browser for you for the sake of this tutorial. We have been able to log in using the Gmail account. You can see that the avatar has changed to M icon. So the next thing is for you to click on the M icon at the top right corner of the page. You can see we have your channel. Just click on that. Once you click on that, you can see it has even highlighted my name already. Like, let me erase that. You can see requesting for your first name. Remember, this is a personal YouTube channel account. You are trying to create a personal YouTube channel. So just input your first name. I input my first name, then my last name. Good. So the next thing for me is to click on the create channel tab. You can see a channel has been created for me. This is a personal YouTube channel. We have a brand YouTube channel as well. In our next video, we'll be talking about that. But you can see we've been able to create a personal YouTube channel successfully. So the next thing is for you to start uploading your video. After successfully creating a personal YouTube channel for yourself, I know the next question you ask is, how am I going to upload my video? Because we can only create a video here, and once we click on it, nothing is showing up. The next thing that you need to do is you must change this page layout to a desktop view, so that you'll be able to see all the necessary options that will give you the chance to create a video, even to customize your channel. So just click on the 3 dots at the bottom right corner of this page. Once you click on it, you can see desktop sites. So change the page layout to a desktop view. Now that we have a desktop view, you can see that we now have different options. You can see upload a video. Once you click on upload a video, you'll be able to upload a video. But before that, I will advise you to customize your channel, like the way you want your channel to look, the way you want people to see your channel. So once you click on customize channel, it will direct you to YouTube Studio. So this is YouTube Studio. Here you can easily customize the way you want your YouTube channel to look, when a visitor visits your YouTube channel. So we have different tabs here. You can see the layout, you can see branding. Yes, here you can change the picture, the icon hem. You can just put your profile picture, the page banner, you can change that as well. If you need a watermark, basic information, you can describe, you can tell people about yourself, what you do, what they should expect on the channel. And if you have a link, you can put that in the URL. You can also add additional link, maybe to your Facebook, your Twitter accounts, and your contact information, your email address, your phone number. You can do that. So what I would just advise you is play around all these tabs, play around everything. You can see that is the way you'll be able to understand the way everything operates. You can see upload a video. Once you click on this is where you'll be able to upload a video. Once I click on that, once I click on upload a video, it will direct me to my files. That means I've created a video file that I wanted to upload on YouTube initially. So once I click on that, I'll be able to select the file, then do some other things. So once you are done with that, you see publish. So that is just it. That is that about creating a personal YouTube channel and also uploading your first video. I hope this video has been so helpful in creating a personal YouTube channel for yourself. And if you have find this video helpful, kindly click on the like button. And also, if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section below. I will definitely attend to it. And do not forget to click on the subscribe button, because this will give us the encouragement to create more useful tutorial videos for you. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you some other time. Bye.